How to install Windows 11 from USB Clean Install. Now, at some point, almost every Windows user reaches the same moment. Your computer is going to feel much slower. And that's usually when people start thinking, maybe I should reinstall my Windows. And honestly, sometimes that is exactly the right move. Now, a clean installation is going to fix all of your issues, but beginners often avoid reinstalling Windows because it sounds dangerous or overly technical. In reality, it's pretty simple. So before starting, you need to understand the difference between upgrading Windows and clean installing Windows. An upgrade is going to keep apps, files, and settings. A clean install is going to wipe the Windows partition and install a fresh copy. Now, this gives you a cleaner system and much better functionality. It also means you must back up important files first. And seriously, never skip backups. So, before installing Windows 11, you need to prepare a USB drive with at least 8 gigabytes of storage, a stable internet, a PC compatible with Windows 11, and backups of important files. Okay. So, to create the installation USB file, right over here, you're going to find a lot of things, right? So, what you're going to do is you're going to download this, create Windows 11 installation media. Okay. So, what you're going to do is you're simply going to hit download now, download this media tool, and you're going to add this media tool into a USB. Once it's in a USB, basically, what's going to happen is it's going to go ahead and create the installation media. From there, you can choose this USB flash drive and add it in any PC you want to install it into. Okay. Insert the USB into a target PC, restart the computer, and during startup, repeatedly press the boot menu key. Now, this could vary, but usually it's the F12 or escape key. Now, inside of your BIOS, go to boot menu and choose USB boot device. Okay, it's going to look something like this. So basically, once you choose USB boot device, this is the most important moment beginners realize. Okay, and once the installer loads, select language, time format, and keyboard layout. Okay, this is how it's going to look. Now, the critical step is when asked about upgrade or custom installation, choose custom, and that's going to prepare a clean install for you. And from there on out, simply wait for things to go ahead and download in for you. And that is about it. Now, a clean installation of Windows 11 sounds intimidating initially, USB drivers, BIOS menus, installers, but once you understand the workflow, it becomes manageable step by step, and the result is often worth it. Better performance, cleaner organization, fewer bugs, and a more stable system overall. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.